So guys, this is GBPUSD on a weekly time frame. GBPUSD on a weekly time frame, we are bullish. Market has opened. This exactly 10 p.m. Market has already opened. So let's see what market have for us this week. And let's do this analysis together on GBPUSD. This is on a weekly time frame, and we are bullish. We are bullish on a weekly time frame. And what pattern market is giving us here? Market is giving us an invert head and shoulder pattern. This is an invert head and shoulder pattern market is giving us on a weekly time frame. This is the head. You can see the head. This is the head of the market. While these are the shoulders of the market. These are the shoulders of the market. These are the shoulders of the market. We are bullish on a weekly time frame on GBPUSD. Market is giving us inverse head and shoulder, and we are bullish. What are we looking for? We are looking for a buy opportunity since we are bullish on the weekly time frame. Now let's go to on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can see the market is breaking highs and creating lows. Market is breaking high and creating lows on the daily time frame. This is on the daily time frame. This is an impulsive move. We have a correctional. We have an impulsive. We have a correctional. We have an impulsive. We have a correctional. We have an impulsive. We have a correctional. A market came back here, break this low, came back and form equal low from this zone. This is where the market break out from and form equal low on the daily time frame. Form equal low, then bounce back, create a high. Now it's creating a low. Then this is another high we should be looking out for on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame. Now let's mark out the zone on the daily time frame. Let's see what we have here. Let's mark out this zone with this other block. We're going to mark out this equal low here. We have equal low here. This is a low where market breaker from tested it and give us a new high. Create a new low, give us another high. This on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame. Now we have another zone here. Let's mark out this zone here. We have a very nice zone here too. Now let's go to 24-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, look at what we have here on the 4-hour time frame. It's the same thing, guys. Exactly the same thing. Exactly the same thing. Market create a low, create a high, and retest. Create another high and retest. What should we look at now for? A buy bias on the GBPUSD on a 4-hour time frame. We are still on the same page, the same direction. We are following the market structure. This is pure price action. Pure price action. Pure price action. On a 4-hour time frame, we should be looking for a buy too. Then let's go to on a 1-hour. On a 4-hour time frame, you can see market create a high, retest, create another high, retest. Now you see we have a very bullish engulfing candle on a 4-hour time frame. We have a very bullish engulfing candle on the 4-hour time frame, which is market is already telling us on the 4-hour time frame there are buy momentums in the market. You can see these aggressive bullish candles on the 4-hour time frame, and we are what? We are still looking for a buy to the next high. To the next high. Where is the next high? This is the next high we are looking out for on the 4-hour time frame. We should be looking for a buy. And what pattern market is giving us on the 4-hour? Market is already giving us a W pattern. It's already giving us a W pattern on the 4-hour time frame. Let me remove this one. Yeah. Look at the pattern market is giving us. Easy high. Market is already giving us what? The W pattern to continue to push to the upside. The W pattern on the 4-hour time frame on this support level. Sorry guys. You can see markets have tested it here. Tested it also. It's a very strong support zone. Very strong support zone. So whenever you come across this kind of a support zone where markets are tested several times, could not break it, it's a very strong zone. We should be looking for a buy for market to keep pushing up to this zone on the 4-hour time frame. Now let's go to 1-hour time frame. This on the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, we are still on the same page. An opportunity to buy. An opportunity to buy on the 1-hour time frame. This is what we have on the 1-hour time frame. This is what we have on the 1-hour time frame. Market give us a push. It's a buy momentum. Now we are retesting this zone to continue the buy to the upside on the 1-hour time frame. I've already positioned for a buy here. Now let's go to 15-minute time frame and in our entry point. This is on the 15-minute time frame. Market is already testing it. Market just opened now. Market is already testing it. We're waiting for a retest and let's wait for a confirmation on the 15-minute time frame. Once we have a confirmation on the 15-minute time frame, we're going to jump in for a buy on GBPUSD. On the GBPUSD, we're still looking for a buy for market to keep pushing up to the upside. This is my analysis on GBPUSD. We're looking out for a buy opportunity. So that's all for now. Let's go for gold. Let's check what is happening on gold. I think this is network issue. This is on gold, XAUUSD. On gold, let's look on gold on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame on gold, we are bullish. We are bullish on gold on the daily time frame. We are bullish on the daily time frame. You can see the market structure on the daily time frame. We are bullish. Let me remove all this my line so I can see very well. The structure market is giving us on the daily time frame. We are bullish. Yeah, this is on the daily time frame, guys. On gold, we are bullish and we still be looking for the buy position on gold. This is a very clear. This is very clear. The chart is very clear on gold. We are bullish. We are on an uptrend. Market take out this high, came back and retest it, came back, retest it again, and keep pushing up on the daily time frame. What we are looking out for is for price to take out this all-time high. We are already on all-time high on gold. This is the all-time high. You can see we have the first touch resistance. This is the resistance, first touch, second touch, third touch. This is fourth one. This is the fifth touch on the daily time frame on gold, and gold is going to break this all-time high, retest it, then we'll keep buying gold. We'll keep buying gold throughout this week. We are buying gold. We are buying gold. We are buying gold throughout this week. Now let's go to on the 4-hour time frame. This is our trend line on gold. On the daily time frame, we are bullish. We are bullish on gold. And let's go to on a 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, you can see what is happening on a 4-hour. We are bullish, and we have multiple resistance here where we want price to be taken out. This is a resistance, and we are waiting for price to take out this resistance level, retest it, then we'll keep buying gold. We'll keep buying gold. We'll keep buying gold. Let's go to on a 1-hour time frame. So guys, this is on a 1-hour time frame on gold. What we are waiting for is just a retest. A retest from this where price has break out from. Let's wait for a retest. You can see price keep breaking high, creating a high and low, creating a high and low, creating a high and low. This is a market structure. This is a high, this is a correctional, this is a high, this is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now we are waiting for a low. A low. Might come and retest this zone and keep pushing up. This is what we have on gold. This is what we have on gold. You go to on a 4-hour, you will see exactly market has already taken out the resistance zone. Then let's wait for a retest. Then we join the buy. We join the buy on gold. This is my analysis on gold. So guys, let's watch out. Let's watch out of this analysis on gold and GBPUSD this week. We'll be looking for a buy. Gold on a buy, GBPUSD on a buy. Don't play with this analysis, guys. Let's go.